watching the surf come in. What a way to clear your mind from the burdens of the day. The summer breeze, the ocean air invigorates the soul. Yes, it's old Cape Cod, to relax and just to be by the sea. The salty sea, its healing touch, untrammeled wild, so fresh and raw. Historic land of times gone by, the sailing ships, the stories go. La 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 la. Yes, it's old Cape Cod, to relax and just to be by the sea. Winter waves in its majesty, or a cold day's quiet sound. After time you long for warmer days, when life looms all around. The summer breeze, the ocean air invigorates the soul. Yes, it's old Cape Cod, to relax and just to be. Yes, it's old Cape Cod, to relax and just to be by the sea. By